If you ever wonder how much weight you would gain from eating 4 bowls of rice and grilled chicken, watch this video, you'll find out. Hey, before I tell you how much weight I've gained from this meal, put in the comments what you think I'll end up weighing or how many pounds you think I've gained from this meal. And don't forget, we still got the marathon at 10K. So I just cleaned these bowls and let's see how much we weigh. So I ate 200 pounds, now I ate these 4 bowls of rice. That means I gained 4 pounds. That is crazy. If y'all wanna see more videos like this, like the video, follow me, and I'll see you later.